Hello again YouTube, it's Mr. Analytical here today with another video, and today we've got a nice little parcel that's come in from Samsung. So this is the rose gold new Galaxy watch. So let's have a little look and get it out of the box and see what we've got here. Let's get rid of that. 42mm and Bluetooth version. Galaxy watch by Samsung. Nice glossy black box. We've got all our serial number and so on. So this is the rose gold version. And I just was keen to see, is this a watch that would work for either male or female? Obviously it's primarily targeted at the female market with its pink and rosy colours. So let's dig right in and see what's in the box. Wow, the new Galaxy watch in rose gold. So it looks like a very small band initially at my initial glance. You can see there's a lot, the bezel is a lot finer in terms of the serrations on the edge. They're a lot finer than on the old Gear S3, which you can see in the background here. So you can see there that the strap does seem, well, yeah, it's a bit smaller, alright. Yeah, so it's definitely female orientated, and you can see it's a bit tight on my wrist, so I'm using pretty much a lot of the band. A suggestion by one of my subscribers was that we could be using this watch with a brown leather strap, and that would look good on a gent also. And I have to say, I would say he's right. So guys, let's see what else is in the box. So just pull this little tab and the box hinges up, and we've got two little compartments. So one of these has the other strap parts and a little charging station. So if you came from the Gear S3, you'll recognise this already. Looks very similar. We've got instructions, and on the other side we've got a charger. So that plugs into the back of the dock. So guys, that's the Galaxy watch in rose gold. So that's the side, and the side with the buttons. There's a bit of plastic on the for protection on the strap. So you can see in this one there's 4 sensors and a little LED in the middle. So that's compared to on the original Galaxy S3, you just had the 2 sensors and the LED. So a bit of improved sensing capabilities there. So as well as the watch, we have this little packet here which is a longer strap, so if you have a bigger wrist, you can see it says L up here in the top, and it's again 20mm, so any 20mm band will fit onto this watch. And as I say, one of my subscribers had suggested a brown leather strap for a man to wear the watch, and I think that would be really worth a try. So in the box, just to summarise, you've got the watch and the extra strap, and then of course you have the charger station, and that little plug just goes into the back here, and you set your watch on the dock like that, and it charges away. So guys, that's just a quick video just to show you really the rose gold watch and what was in the box, and I'm going to really be going into more detail on the Galaxy watch in general, but especially on the larger 46mm version, which would be the one that I intend to use myself as a replacement for my old Gear S3. So guys, stay tuned, and I'm going to do an unboxing now of the Galaxy watch in the 46mm version, and we'll then keep you posted with videos and updates which will show all the different features of the watch, including the faces that are on the watch and the different apps and functions and functionality of the new watches. So stay tuned, and I'll be back to you soon with another video. Thanks, bye bye.